Okay, so I've been riding in the rain now. I came back from Newmarket. I've been riding for about 20 minutes in the rain. This is the BMW RT 1250. It has a fairing. It is keeping the rain off my lower body excellently. As long as I'm above 35 miles an hour, anything around 35 miles an hour, I start to get drips on my legs, but that's it, just drips. For the rest, as long as I'm above 40 miles an hour, the airflow and the fairing keep the rain off my lower body, so I have no need to wear waterproof overpants or trousers, whatever you want to call them. All I'm wearing is my new Rooker Legend motorcycle jeans, single layer, and I am dry. The lower half of my body is dry. On the top I've got this Reacher motorcycle jacket with Gore-Tex. My helmet is the Schubert C5. The Rain-X on the visor is doing a marvellous job. The anti-mist on my glasses was working until I got actual water on my glasses when I took my helmet off, so I had to put those in my pocket. But the Rain-X on the visor is doing its job, and the anti-mist insert on the inside of the visor is doing a marvellous job too. I've had no problems with misting whatsoever. So that's it. The benefits of a BMW R1250 RT in rainy conditions. I'd say though, it's not raining hard, but it is a constant rain. If I was riding a naked bike, I'd be pretty soaked. And that's that. Enjoy your ride. Keep the black side down.
Wasn't strong, and our hailing brought no answer, and I felt a sudden dread, for the stranger's shields were up and glowing red.